Here we go. Will you go on that side and watch the drives? We wait for him. Let me see what I can do.
Yeah, go ahead. Hey! All it's doing is rotating.
Ideally, we want to stand next to our truck and we can feel what the truck is doing. And that's kind of how we stay in sync.
Winch in a little bit. There you go. Yeah, go ahead. Keep going until you run out of cable. Good.
Good. And then that should give Kevin enough room to spike the front down, right?
Yeah.